Hey everyone, I'm Carl with Centurion Pro. Today I'm excited to be doing an unboxing video for our HP3 Triple Bucker. HP refers to high performance and represents our workhorse line of buckers. The HP3 provides triple the production capacity of our HP1, resulting in the industry's highest buck rate per hour. This machine utilizes 2 rollers per workstation that pull the stem into the machine, popping the flowers off. With triple the performance, the HP3 Triple Bucker is quickly becoming known as the world's highest capacity bucking machine. This bucker model is simple, powerful, and effective, and will process product at an unprecedented rate. Without further ado, let's get to it. We just covered the unboxing and assembly of your HP3 Triple Bucker. Make sure you visit our website and complete the warranty registration within 30 days of purchase. If you have any remaining questions related to unboxing and assembly that we didn't cover in this video, please reach out to us at techsupport@cprosolutions.com. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel for other great videos that'll help streamline your operation and make the most of your bucker purchase. In our next video, we're going to do a more detailed overview of your HP3 Triple Bucker, including its key components and electrical requirements. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching and happy harvests.